Hello, my dear farmer friends, and welcome to Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited. Myself, Satish Gangadhar Rao Burange from Bid. And today, we have come to visit the papayas farm of a young progressive farmer, Mr. Rushikesh Nanoba Mandgar. Within 2 acres of farm, from a total of 1700 crops, the product he obtained, and the interstitial technique of farming that he used to plant various crops like watermelon, followed by watermelon, cucumber, and papaya. So let's ask him, out of these 4 crops, what products he obtained and how did Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited help him get better yield.
Hello, farmer friends. My name is Rushikesh Bandgar. I am from Shindewadi, Mazargaon, district Bid. Within our premises of 20 acres, we plant cotton, watermelon, lentil, sugarcane, muskmelon. My father, his 2 brothers, their respective wives help me in the work. We have planted sugarcane on about 2 to 3 acres of land. Then we have cotton fields. We plant watermelon in the period of December. At first, we harvest the cotton crops and then later we plant watermelon. We repeat this a couple of times, and in June 2011, the place where I'm sitting, I had planted cotton crops. Then on 3rd December, we did cotton picking. Then we munched the farm and later planted watermelon over 2 acres. It was accurate season for it, as well as the quality of seedlings were good too. On around 25th of March, after all the efforts, the yield wasn't that great. The yield was very less, and which was only about 1.25 lakhs, which was less with respect to the efforts and time we put into it. It was a total of 25 tons of the whole harvest. The total expenditure was of 2 lakhs approximately. Later on the same bed and the same munching, on 5th of March, we decided to pick the sagar and then plant it in there. And then we produced 44 tons of harvest. At that time, the rate was 10 to 5 rupees and we incurred 3.5 lakh rupees. Meanwhile, we decided to plant Taiwan 786 type of papaya. We almost planted 2040 crops in 2 acres of field. Then we brought this and the 1700 crops were left. And for the remaining of the crops, we used to Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited. Because of it, we got the rate of 25.7 and we got the outcome of 9 lakhs from 40 tons. And we are expecting more 40 tons of the yield this time. And even if we consider the rate 10 rupees, we might get a return of 4 lakh. After papaya, we planted cucumber. With it, we made 70,000 rupees almost. In this, we harvested the crops of watermelon, papaya, and cucumber respectively. And for that, the whole credit goes to Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited. In it, we got 50 lakhs of watermelon itself. So we got 70,000 from cucumber and 9 lakhs from papaya. We are expecting 4 lakhs. Therefore, in total, we received almost 18 lakhs. Now we are expecting 40 tons of harvest. So it has an expenditure of 4 lakhs. So we have a benefit of 14 lakhs.
Before the plantation, what kind of dose did you use?
We used 3 bags of Dr. Bavaskar Technologies Kalpataru organic manure.
After the plantation, how did you take care of the plants? What measures you take for the good development of the harvest?
After plantation, we installed the germinator by Dr. Bavaskar Technology Limited. We did drenching of 100 ml to the pump of 15 liters. That helped the plant a lot.
Last year, the season wasn't favorable enough for the crops. The rain wasn't as good. Then how did you take the decision of planting papaya?
Talking about papaya, what actually happened was we had the plots nearby and we had heard that fruit industry has great returns. So we decided to get into it. But the water condition wasn't favorable at all. In fact, we had to use tankers for good water supply.
What about the virus pest control?
A plot being in the vicinity, we were afraid about the virus will show up. But eventually, Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited guided us on how to take care of the situation. Even Burange sir helped us a lot throughout the whole situation. And then we were not afraid about the virus anymore.
Which products from Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited helped you and how? And what are your views about Thriver?
Speaking of Thriver, we used Thriver enough and we used it with Panchamrut for papaya crops.
What was the use of it?
It helped maintain a good quality of the fruits and helped it stay healthy.
What was the benefit of using it in papaya?
The fruit remained healthy and was more appealing and the results were amazing.
What quantity did you use?
We used 4 to 5 ml in 1 liter of water.
How did you use Crop Shiner and how was it useful?
A crop shiner from Panchamrut is an important tool. We use it often to reduce shredding of leaves, and we mostly use it when weather changes. We use it by spraying it, and we got amazing result in the leaf and overall crop.
What were the benefits of Nutraton?
The benefits of Nutraton were many. One of them was reduction in virus. Also, we were able to see a couple of plants and we used it by spraying, and also we used it through drip water system. We used Nutraton for virus and it was outstanding. We used 4 to 5 ml per liter.
What was the use of Prism and where did you use it?
The benefits of Prism are many. We can see many flowers and leaves and birds. We used Protecton P in the stage of flowering. Bees were rarely seen at that time, so it helped attract more bees. We used it in the cultivation of watermelon as well. We used it twice for papaya. It helped the flower grow into fruit and reduced the wastage.
What was the benefit of using ripener for watermelon and papaya both?
For papaya, we used adequate amount of ripener. We used ripener for getting fruits earlier. We used 2 liters of ripener through drip water. It helped getting the produce earlier.
What is the Harmony used for and how much?
We used Harmony for both the crops of papaya and watermelon as well. For watermelon, it helped in getting rid of many germs, and we used 2 ml in a liter. We sprayed it on the crop and we did the same for papaya.
Hello, myself Jnanoba Bandgar from Shindewadi, Bid. I have been a farmer from last 15 years and my farmer friends have been using all these products from Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited from a long time. So I contacted Burange sir through them and they really guided us through the whole process. This year we had the best results, that too with low expenditure. This year we earned a profit of 9 lakh rupees in 65 tons and more 40 tons are expected and the expenditure was almost 4 lakh rupees. With next 40 tons incoming, even if we consider the price to be according to 10 rupees, we are making profit. We cultivated 2 watermelon and 1 cucumber crop. And with 2 watermelon crops, which earned us 5 lakh rupees and cucumber earned us 70,000 rupees, which means we earned 14 lakh in 2 acres of land only. Through the help of Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited. When we do not understand the quantity to be used, we can use this book and learn the process easily and understand the science of farming better.
Hello, myself Ramchandra Fapal. Initially, I started selling the products of Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited in my nursery, and now we use Germinator to a good level, and I refer it to the farmers as well. All the farmers that brought it from me have had a great experience with this product. I have been in this business for 11 years, and farmers come to pre-book the order from my nursery. And along with my nursery, I own a farm. I use these modern techniques with the help of Burange sir, who guided me towards better. We have received a great yield for the past years, and even this year we have got the help of Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited. We used Germinator, Crop Shiner, Prism and many other products, and I used these products recently. They have given great outcomes. The farmers themselves come to my shop and ask for products from various range provided by Dr. Bavaskar Technology Agro Private Limited.